Good afternoon, William Abbs here from Burton Chevrolet Buick GMC in Whitewater, giving you a video on our 2019 GMC Sierra SLT four-wheel drive. Now this truck only has 19,000 miles. It was a pre-owned lease, so one owner lease vehicle, only 19,000 miles on it, in great shape. Heated, cooled seats, built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got your front collision sensors right here and the rear parking sensors, along with rear heated seats, which is something you cannot get right now in a brand new truck, so you would have it right now. You have your power driver seat, power passenger seat, upgraded Bose stereo system, memory seats. Take a look at that. You got your heated steering wheel, which works unlike the brand new ones. Forward collision sensors, cruise control, Bluetooth options. Check that out, only 19,441 miles right there. You got your automatic four-wheel drive buttons. You got your sport mode there if you want. There's your screen there. You got your built-in navigation. And you got your backup camera right here, along with, so you can line it up right to the hitch right there. Dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, built-in trailer brake controller. You got wireless charging built right in. And check out all the room back there. Plenty of room to fit the family, friends, or whatever. Then you have your all-weather floor liners right here. Check that out, one more look there. Take a look at that back seat, plenty of room. Heated seats in the back. And you got the multi-pro tailgate, power down. You got the cargo net back here and the WeatherTech tonneau cover. This truck will not last long. Please give me a shout. Phone number is 262-473-6060. Thanks a lot.